Hi guys, in my last video we completed our bustier princess dart digitally and we actually downloaded it. I showed you how to download it. If you've not watched that video, go ahead and watch the video and find out how we created our bustier princess dart digitally. As you know, there's a lot of videos online on how to create a bustier princess dart, but I don't think I've seen any that is created digitally, so you can go ahead and watch that video, because in this video I'm going to show you how you can actually print out your PDF patterns, put it together, and then I'm going to see how the fitting really is. So without wasting much time, let's go and start. So this is the PDF download of our bustier princess dart pattern. As you can see, this is how the PDF looks like. That's the PDF. It's not much, as you can see, it's about 8 pages of paper. So this is what I'm going to send to my printer to print out. You can use a regular home printer. It's not a very fantastic printer. You just need a regular home printer to be able to print this out. So once you've downloaded the PDF, you just go to print. What you should look out for really is that you make sure that it's not printing both sides. Sorry, it's written in Germany. But all you should look out for on your printer setting is that it should not print both sides. It should only print on one side. That's the most important thing when you're using your home printer. So I will just print it out and then we'll go to the next stage. So now if you look at the printed paper, the A4 pattern printout, you see that it has some alphabets here and a circle. So the alphabet there is A1, and the next paper, the alphabet there is A2 and a circle. So when you're putting this together, you just put it as it is, horizontally. You ensure that this circle matches with the A2 circle. This is the A1, so just make sure that it matches. So you put it down together like that, like so, and ensure that the two sides, that the circles are on top of each other. Just make sure the circles are on top of each other. And once you're sure that the circles are okay, you just use a transparent tape and just tape it together. It's as simple as that. So that is done. So the next one, we go to the next two, and the next two is B1, as you can see here. That is B1 and B2. B1 and B2. So you do the same thing. You come here where you have your A1. It has a circle too. If you look at it, it has a circle right there. So we are going to get our B1 and we are going to place it so that the circle matches that circle. So you see, our pattern is taking shape. So once the circle matches that circle, we'll now sellotape it. Make sure the bottom circle too matches the bottom circle. And we are now going to sellotape it the same way we did with the other one. So it's as simple as that. So that's exactly what we are going to do as we are going to join the next one. The next one is B2. We are going to place our B2 right there. Right there. So you see that the pattern is taking shape. See how the pattern is taking shape. Essentially, let me now go ahead and do the same thing for the C1, C2, D1, D2. And when I'm done, we'll continue with the video. I'll just pause the video and then I will just do the other ones and complete the pattern. I finished putting it together. As you can see, it's exactly the picture it was on the computer. So I put it together. Everything is in place. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to cut out the pieces and I'm going to place it on my body to see the actual fitting. And then I'll show it to you how the fitting is. Then we'll go on from there. So I'll put it together. So just look at the fitting. Everything is in place. The neckline is okay. The shoulder is okay. The armhole, everything is where it's supposed to be. Just take a look at it. So as you can see, as long as you create your basic body block properly and you upload your measurements properly on Pattern Maker Pro, you can derive any style from your basic body block and the fitting will be perfect. As you can see, very perfect. So once you place this on your material, put your sewing allowance and sew it, it will just fit you like your second skin. As you can see, very perfect. There's no, very perfect. Me, I'm satisfied with it. So I hope you will try your hands on creating your bustier princess dart digitally. And then if you have any kind of challenges, you can drop your comments under this video and I will get back to you as soon as possible.